Hey guys, I'm back and today we are going to fold this marshmallow face. So first you will need to know how to make the basic origami bird base. So you can click video right here to learn how to fold it, and you come back to this video. So when you have a bird base, so you fold this flap up like this, and you're going to fold this flap to this side like this and crease it, same thing at this side, and unfold, and we're going to open this and squash it down like this, same thing at this side. And now we can fold this down like this until you see something like this, right? And unfold, and we're going to squash it as well like this. Right, make sure you have these 2 points which lay on this line. So now we're going to fold this back like this with a crease. So we do the same thing here. Squash it down like this and fold this up. Right, then going to fold this to the side, and going to fold this corner to this point right here. So we're gonna need to align the edge like this, and align this point to this point, and then crease, and you do the same thing at this side. Right, so after you've done it, we're going to make those crease into modern fold like this. Then you see you done something that look like what you did for preliminary base. So you're going to just flatten down like this. If you've done it correctly, you'll see something look like this. Same thing you did on this side. Right, so now I'm going to fold this up like this, same thing here like this. Then we're going to fold this like this and break down like this. Just unfold like this. Right, so now we're going to do something. Going to do an angle bisector right between this like this. So this crease here should be aligned with this crease right here. So make sure you hold the layer tightly so it won't offset after you make that crease. So do it like this, right? So to flatten it down, you just flatten it down like this. So you make a crease at this point as well. So you do the same thing right here. So and capacitor right here. So the crease like this, and just flatten down this way. Right. So now you're going to make the eyes. So we're going to do a close-up. So we're going to fold this in like this, and to unfold, we will make something like sugar fold like this. Right, so do the same thing here. Like this, and make something like this. So you just make this fold on one fold and just tuck this layer in like this, right? Then you fold this corner down like this, right? And right here you're going to fold this in and then like a reverse fold. So just fold down this way, right? Do the same thing here. Put this in and just fold down like this. So you can look at this. Yeah. So now the eyes, the cross done. You repeat the same thing on this side. So now we're going to fold. So we're going to fold along this crease, right? Then we're going to make a new crease right here by squash. Shrink this down. Do the same thing here. So fold along this crease and squash this down. Then we're going to fold both of these down like this. Make sure you make all the crease sharp to prevent it from misaligned. So now we're going to open this and do a fold like this. So you just kind of rolling this part of paper like this, right? And do the same thing here. You just kind of make this part like this, and you fold this down to this part like this, and you will need to make a reverse fold like this. So it will look like this. If you're done correctly, then you just fold it back up for the two cross. So we are going to make the cross straight up. So now we're going to fold this down and fold it back up like this. So you look like this. So we do the same thing here. Fold this down and fold this back up like this. So look like this. And now we just fold this back to hide it behind, right? So, and lastly we're going to make the mouth. So fold it up like this, and we're going to open this, and we're going to make something like this. Just squash it this way. So if you done it like this and fold it this way, so you get something like this. If you done it correctly, then you just fold like this, make something like this. Then we are going to make fold right here and fold it back up to make something like this. Do the same thing here. Fold this along this crease and fold it back up. And you just shape it this way. After you've done it, you're just going to shape the model. So first one is shaping here. Right, and right this. Same thing here. Then you just fold this down like this, and for this flag you can use it to make it at the center like this. So you have completed the model. So if you like this model, don't forget to click thumbs up, and also don't forget to click subscribe right here, and also share this video to your friends. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.